What if your chatbot wasn't just answering questions but actually doing work for you? That's the difference between a chatbot and an AI agent. In this video, I'll break down the difference in plain English. Stick around because I'll also share real-world use cases and a sneak peek of what's coming in this new series. Hi, if you're new to the channel, my name is Bogdan and I have over 6 years of experience as an automation consultant, building process automations for clients and helping businesses work more efficiently. On this channel, I bring this experience into the world of AI, helping entrepreneurs, creators, and businesses use smart tools and automations to get more done. Today, we are going to break down what AI agents really are, how they are different from chatbots, and why it matters for your business. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is an AI agent? In simple terms, an AI agent is software that doesn't just respond to you, it actually takes action on your behalf. Think of it as moving from a passive chatbot that only gives answers to an active digital helper that can listen, decide, and act. Here's the simplest way to picture it. A chatbot is like a receptionist who only reads from a script, while an AI agent is like an assistant who can hear your request, figure out what you need, and then actually go do it. That might mean booking an appointment, raising a support ticket, or sending an email. The key idea is that it doesn't just talk back to you, it gets things done. So, now that we have covered what an AI agent is, let's compare it with something that many people know as a chatbot. A chatbot is designed for conversation. It's reactive. You ask, it answers, usually based on scripts, workflows, or decision trees. If you ask something outside of what it knows, it might give you a generic or wrong answer. An AI agent, on the other hand, goes further. It can act, it can make decisions, use tools, and execute tasks based on your instructions. It's proactive. It might trigger follow-ups or integrate with other systems to actually do something, not just respond. Let me give you a quick demo. I'm on a website with a simple chatbot. Watch what happens when I report a problem. I have a technical issue. The page is not loading. Okay, we get some steps we can follow that might help with our issue. But let's pretend we tried all these steps and let's reply back with, I have tried all these steps and it still does not work. I want a support ticket to be created for this issue. It comes back to us saying, thanks for your message. I can share general steps to help, but unfortunately I do not have the ability to create a support ticket. Advice only. No action, no ticket, no follow-up. Now, let's compare that with an AI agent. I'm going to use the customer support AI agent I built using VoiceFlow, and I'm going to give it the same scenario. I have a technical issue, the page is not loading. The agent asks clarifying questions, the error I'm seeing, the browser I'm using, the number of attempts. It asks for my email address to identify me by, and it creates a ticket for me on Zendesk. Now I can see the ticket being created in Zendesk with all the information I have provided. I'm also being notified by email in regards to my Zendesk ticket. That's the difference. The agent not only explains, it acts, it collects details, and it opens the real ticket automatically. Another difference is adaptability. Chatbots don't really adapt well. They follow rules you gave them, but agents can learn or at least be designed to handle unexpected inputs, call APIs, fetch external data, or chain tasks together. So in short, chatbots can listen and answer. On the other hand, AI agents can listen, answer, and do stuff. As we move on through this series, you'll see more examples in the next videos of how that doing stuff plays out in practice. Now that we understand the difference, let's talk about why would you even want to use AI agents in the first place. First, and most obvious, time saving. An agent can handle repetitive requests on autopilot. That means fewer manual tasks for you or your team, and more time spent on the important work that actually moves your business forward. Second, better customer experience. Instead of a customer waiting hours for a support reply or going through endless FAQ pages, an agent can give them instant help and even take action like creating a ticket, scheduling an appointment, or sending the right document. It's fast, efficient, and 24/7. Third, automation at scale. AI agents don't get tired of doing the same thing 1,000 times. Whether it's collecting data, routing leads, or answering common questions, they do it consistently and accurately. In short, AI agents mean less repetitive work for you, faster service for your customers, and more efficiency for your business. Alright, so what can AI agents actually do? Let me give you a quick teaser of some real-world use cases. First, customer support. Imagine an agent that not only answers questions, but also creates tickets directly in support platforms like Zendesk. Fast, consistent, and no human has to step in for every simple issue. Next, appointment booking. Instead of a long back and forward, the agent can check availability and book someone in instantly. Third, lead qualification. Agents can chat with potential customers, gather details, and pass only the qualified leads to your sales team. Then we have sales follow-up. Agents can send reminders, share resources, and keep prospects warm without chasing them down manually. And finally, data collection. Agents can ask the right questions and store responses neatly into your CRM or spreadsheet so everything's captured automatically. These aren't just teasers. In this series, we'll actually build examples like this step by step so you can see exactly how they work in practice. So, now you know what AI agents are, how they are different from chatbots, and why they matter. But here's where it gets exciting. In the next videos, we are not just talking theory, we are going to actually build these agents together step by step. The very first one we'll tackle is a customer support agent that connects directly into Zendesk, so you'll see how it works in a real business scenario, and that's only the beginning. After that, we'll dive into agents for appointment booking, lead qualification, sales follow-up, and more. All practical, all hands-on. So if you want to follow along and build with me, hit the subscribe button now and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the next episode. If you want to watch other videos from this series, click on the playlist over here. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.